dental visit ni Baby Bean. Ang bilis nga naman ng panahon. Ang bilis lumaki ni Baby Bean. Lumalaki itong very smart and talented. So smart talaga si Baby Bean. Pagdating niya sa dental clinic, nakipaglaro pa ito sa mga staff. At
High five, Mama! High five! Careful! Want to sit here? Sit here? Sit cool?
Ang galing naman ng tricks ng mga dental staffs. Nilalaro muna nila ang bata bago umpisahan ang pagsusuri ng ngipin para maaliw ito, hindi matatakot.
Huh? Is it cool? Look guys! Change habits niya. Where's your teeth?
Good girl talaga si Baby Bean. Very cooperative at napaka-friendly rin sa mga staffs ng dental.
Wow! Very good! Can I see your teeth? Show your teeth. It's brushing time. Brushing time. Okay. Wow! Good job! Brushing.
Sinabi ng dentist kay Bean, "May I see your teeth?" Binuka naman na kaagad ni Bean ang kanyang bibig. At sinabi pa, "Brushing your teeth." Nakipag-cooperate.
Let's brush your teeth. Wow! Very good! That's a really nice first dental visit for you.
Tuwang-tuwa naman ang kanyang mami Angelica at ang lahat ng staffs ng dental dahil napakabait na bata si Bean.
For Bean. Alright, keep it there, Doc. Wow, very good, Bean. Wow. Bean helps Dr. Keslin.
Sinabi ng dentist na nanatiling nakabuka rin ang bibig ni Bean. Hindi talaga siya lumilikot.
She likes to chew on stuff. Alright, Bean. Okay. Good job. Good job. Big girl na. Big girl na,
Good job, Baby Bean. Napaka-good girl mo.
Very good. Yes, it's Momo. Hi, Mr. Sockshirt. Hello. Hi, I'm here. Okay, open.
So proud and very lucky naman si Mami Angelica kay Baby Bean. Lumalaki itong napaka-smart and talented, napakabait.